Good. So it is me, Mike, Anthony, Gilly. So we are running live. This is our debugging screen. Has the status of all the sensors and the status of the output. We have down here our status lights and a display. It says comply with safety. We have our armrest and our tray. We have a seatbelt sensor, a temperature sensor, and a pressure sensor. So right now we are waiting for turbulence. We're going to initiate an event. We have our audible notification. And in compliance. And go.
Okay, so suite C20C now nobody is sitting, so that's why the LED is gray, and the airplane is in fastened seatbelt, and this is the simulation that running currently.
I will sit.
And
Stop
go.
action.
Give us some turbulence. Fasten your seatbelt. Alright.
We got fastened in the true. We got you, Anthony, need to
Now close the armrest.
armrest, please.
This will be our final sensor to comply.
Now we got the armrest is still
Good.
We have an enjoy your flight on
closed.
big screen.
Yeah.
And boom, green.
You're green.
Oh, yeah,
Everything in
to
compliance.
the bathroom. Okay.